Sigma, Zota, Ipil chapter.
Zeta.
Zeta pala, oh, Zeta.
Yes.
Sigma, Zeta sa Ipil chapter. Ito, kagirian kagad si Ojola tsaka si Hawkins, you know? Concepcion fires, big three coming from Sherwin Concepcion. Estacio uses that screen to the other side. Marcelo fakes, fires for three. Namulot lang doon si Bonsalida.
Nakita mo yun? Galing siya dun sa out.
Yan naman yung papasok dito for San Beda. Kalimag, short one. Ito, another altercation. Inawan niya yun.
Oo, muna before. Iinom na siya. Tinawag na siya ulit. Escobedo.
Watching us right now, Coach. Also a Gilas Pilipinas cager. TNT under your uncle, Coach. Chot. CJ Oftana.
Oh.
Watching us right now. Former San Beda Red Lions.
Calvin.
Mayang gabi, Calvin.
Wow.
Ojola uses that fake, pinasabay itong si Bonsalida, and traveling violation pa. Ito sa ilalim na angle. Yun, medyo gumalaw eh.
Gumalaw-galaw yan. Challenge or walang ano. Just play on lang.
Bonsalida, 10 seconds to shoot. They'll use the screen. Kalimag, that is another traveling.
Diretso na sila sa finals eh. Pero naman, kung manalo ang Alicia dito, magtututo yung standing nila. And they would have that chance to have a three-way tie.
Same with San Beda.
Oo.
Step back for Concepcion. Salado. The feed, Toy Chavez. Fakes, fades away. Inabutan doon. But Kentoy Salado, fouled by Hawkins. At the corner. Marcelo di Discarte against Escobedo. Fires for three. Too strong. Nadulas na naman itong si Marcelo. Escobedo gets the 3-point shot. Cuts down the lead. Ito.
Actually, because of sa pinapakita nilang effort to go after that ball, it's not even a 50-50 ball eh. Nagiging 60-40. Diba?
Dorgules again. Pang-ilan na ba itong pang-pito? Pang-pito ng San Beda. Tie with Alicia, Coach, no?
Yes. Pero napaka-timely kasi ng mga nasushoot nila na 3-pointers.
Salado goes cross-court. Hinanap si Escobedo. Heat check. Rebound by Tulye. Tulye, they hand off to Aldous Dorculas. Dorculas tries to drive. Too strong para sa kanya. Nagulat siya, walang sumunod sa bola. 66-61. Down by 1. Down by 5. With Chavez. Concepcion fires. Rattles out. The tap goes to Escobedo. Sabi mo ba? Grabe timely talaga ito si Raymond Escobedo.
Yes, napaka-crucial ng mga nasushoot niya dito sa ating final quarter, no?
Under halfway na ng ating fourth quarter, Coach Kim. May shot. Rebound Escobedo. Kailangan niya ng bilisan dito. 7 straight points for Raymond Escobedo.
Carrying his team on his shoulders right now.
Isa na lang ito, Coach Kim. Dorculas, nabitawan pa. Pull up. Marcelo rattles out.
Ito
Andito
na naman.
Kay Escobedo talaga bumabagsak yung bola, no? Elmer Chavez to Concepcion. Escobedo yung didiskarte para sa Welic. Ex-municipality of Alicia. Escobedo feeling it. Escobedo off the glass. Putback ni Ojula. Goes reverse. Lead change. (67-66). Estacio goes inside, escapes. Biglang nag-collapse doon yung depensa. Itong Alicia Exuelic.
Parang makita mo na medyo napapagod na rin sila dito eh. As Raymart Escobedo humihingi na nga ng timeout doon. Sinasabihan yung kanilang coaches, timeout tayo. Shot clock down to 8 ah.
Nowhere to go. Ito si Chavez, didiskarte to. Against Etoler Turculas. Ojola. That is not a shot. And the save nitong si Escobedo. Hamora. Itule. Kalimag. Oh, big shot for RC Kalimag. 71-67. Another steal, coach.
Ooh. Yes.
I-check for Kalimag. This time, Itulye. Look at that. Another offensive rebound, Coach Kim. Pangilang na ba ito? For Kentoy Salado. Goes to Aryar. Concepcion naman. Aryar with a fake. Calo fires for 3. Calo with a much needed 3-pointer. Buzzer beater for Eman Calo. Last 2 minutes na lang. 73-70. Tatlo itong kalamangan ng San Beda. Kalimag. 1-on-1 against Aryar. Shot clock at 8. There's the screen. Kalimag fires short. Rebound Salado. Forward pass kay Aryar. Nako! Stolen away by Itulye. Gusto niya 1-on-1. Itong si Hamora against Salado. Itule to the corner.
Oh.
3-point shot!
Wow!
Pamatay sunog din.
That's a big man for you. Pare, one dribble, step back, 3-pointer.
Kala mo nasa perimeter lang.
Di ba?
No?
Yung sinasabi ni Minggito na wala pa niyan dati.
No, oo. 76-70. 10 on the clock. Calo, back-to-back ba? Short for Eman. Under a minute na, coach. 55 seconds.
Kailangan ng stop dito ng Alicia Welic if they want to still be in this ball game.
Hamora, big shot. Takbo si Calo. Calo against Kalimag. Calo scores. 76-72.
45 seconds, 4-point lead. This is still manageable, no? One more stop dito lang para sa Alicia Welic.
Itule. Hamora wants the screen. Binigay kay Hawkins. Hamora. Itule again. Big shot, coach.
Pasok na naman yan para dito kay Itule. Pero ito pa si Calo, hindi pa siya tapos.
Yun lang. One-on-one dito, Itule. Hamora escapes. And that's a foul on Sherwin Concepcion.
Oh, he misses
0 out of
both.
2. Concepcion, no more shot clock to ha. Eman Calo. 1-on-1, cross-court, hinanap si Escobedo. Went out of bounds. And San Beda with a 6-point lead. Eman Calo will inbound. Escobedo rattles out. And one is
Alright.
big.
Alright, so yun na nga yun. San Beda wins this game. So, San Beda will go to the finals in our tomorrow's game. So, main...
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!